on the beverage drink you can see anything of beverage drink, right? And also here in Argentine virtual booth exhibition with Zen Hydration Smart Hydration Electrolyte Drink with Zen. Okay, welcome everyone, welcome guys. Okay, so today I will bring you to like how we do the R&D research and development of this item Zen Hydration Beverage Drink. Okay, check my voice, check my sound, everything is be okay. Hello everyone. Okay, when you come, okay, say hi with me here. Okay, because today I very appreciate that I will come to present you about like how we do the R&D of this product. Okay, so now my voice is clear, right? Okay, thank you everyone, my voice is clear, right? Hold on. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so come to see, send the feature of global functional hydration. We will see today like what we start to add and what the benefit in your group, in your customer that you will get from Zen Hydration. Are you ready? If you're ready, you can click the heart for me. 1000 heart for me. Thank you very much everyone. Okay, say hi for everyone also. Okay, so here we go. I will start what we do on our R&D. Okay, let's check this one. Okay. Everyone getting know like why the hydration functional drink is really come to be the top trending on this world now. Everyone getting know, right? Or you need me like telling something about story of the Zen functional drink a bit. Okay, between we waiting for our guest come, I can share experience for you 2 or 3 minutes. What the benefit of Zen hydration? Okay. Here we go. I will explain for you a few minutes. Okay, during we waiting for our friend come to see our live streaming, because someone now just like on the way back home and on the way back to hotel, right, after finish Food day today. Okay, come, I will telling you what the benefit that you can earn and you can get from the Zen hydration drink. Especially if we separate from the country, like start like USA. Okay, start USA. Strategic summary Zen hydration in 2036 global market for the USA. The global demand for Zen hydration electrolyte beverage across the EU and USA and Middle East, Africa and entire Asia is driven by the rapid expansion of the functional beverage sector. We see the first, the global market boom. In 2026, the electrolyte drink market is valued at the approximate about like 40 until 43 billion. You see, consumers have shifted from canned water or soft drink to functional hydration, seeing beverage that offer tangible health benefit is number one global market boom. So this one you will earn the benefit of the functional drink beverage here. And the second the reason that the market boom, the second number two, the region market driver. USA and EU is premium market, high health consciousness drive demand for low sugar, zero sugar and clean label product. Then complement with the safety standard allow it to the compete effective in this mature market. You see. And for the Middle East and Africa, dehydration management is an extreme heat. Rehydration is a necessary. Same provide essential mineral for repairing urbanizing population. Is the market of Middle East. And for the entire Asia looking for the hydration for like a lifestyle and urbanization. At the fastest growing regions, Asia is driven by Gen Z and Finnish trend, where electrolyte drinks are becoming a daily step for energy and recovery. This is our strategy for the beverage hydration drink. Okay, and so we see the next number three. The number three product different and innovation. Zen hydration align with 2026 trend down to the convenience ready to drink RTD format that dominates 70% of the market share. Functional benefit ensure recovery, reduce fatigue, and optimize physical performance. Lifestyle customization catering to the 18 outfit professional and general wellness seeker alike. This one. Thank you for your sharing. Thank you for your sharing, everyone. If you like this my live stream and if you need to know like the high value of the hydration electrolyte drink, you can share it live streaming to your friend, to your brother, to your customer also, because sometimes it's easy for you like just the sharing this one to your target. It's easy to explain for them, right? Okay, it's very easy. Yeah, and more than this, the target, okay, our target and our main market. The first one is our first customer start from like the customer from Brazil inquiry also. The Brazil customer, the performance and energy market. This our the start the project. The Brazil represent a massive opportunity in the fitness sector. Zen Hydration appeared to the Brazil body consistent culture by offering rapid recovery and natural mineral balance essential for their active outdoor and gym centric lifestyle. And the next for the come to the EU market, the European Union, they need the clean and green standard. In the EU, transparency is the key. Zen Hydration meet in the stringent in 2026 European standard by focusing on the zero sugar formula and eco-friendly packing. Our green label approach align perfectly with the EU Green Deal and the high expectation of health consistent Europe consumer, you know. And for the customer of the Middle East or Arab country, especially the Saudi Arabia or Gulf country, this hydration is driving by version 2030, Saudi Arabia is shifting toward wellness-oriented society. Zen Hydration Service serve as a visual solution for hydration in the extreme climate, while positioning itself and premium lifestyle beverage for the modern Saudi works and yacht. Okay. So a short keyword is like the region primary focus 2026 trend sense value proportion. Brazil purport for the fitness and sport performance, lipid recovery and minerals balance. And for the EU the suitable and clean label, 0% sugar, eco-friendly packaging. And for the Middle East, target is dairy, rehydration and wellness, extreme heat solution and premium lifestyle. Okay, so now everyone getting know this key point as well, right? Okay, so now I will bring you like in our R&D system. Okay, you will see on my monitor, right? Our R&D and supply chain strategy for holistic wellness and emotional health beverage. This one Zen Hydration electrolyte drink is strategy for holistic wellness and emotional health beverage. If you see the monitor, you will see like we research the strategy emotional beverage drink. This one is emotional beverage thing, you know. It's very good benefit. That means when people drink this one, is make the emotional is like the caffeine is fulfill. It fulfill with their emotional. It's do you know when people find something, and when they get the target, this hydration drink is make their emotional is good emotional. What happened with this market, you know? Of course, the emotional is the first energy inside that people welcome to start with this one from inside and bring to outside like a aura. Yeah. It's like the modern consumer no longer purchase beverage solely for refreshment. Today, global buyer priority emotional balance, mental clarity, and lifestyle alignment when selecting functional drink. This shift is driving innovation across R&D formulation, ingredient sourcing, and supply chain transparency that we do in our R&D development, you know. And come to see the high growth function beverage segment. This one, the first thing that we concern, number one, the state reduction. The state reduce. Everyone people is like always to use lifestyle, the busy lifestyle. Sometimes they cannot manage their lifestyle in the morning, noon, evening, or even the night time. They don't know. Something they have like a very straight too much. Even they don't know state come from somewhere. Actually, the state on the brain is just like a dead. It just come from the emotion also. You know, it just come from the emotion also. That's why we create this hydration electrolyte drink, which saying it can manage state reduction and mood support drink. It's very important on this key point. It's very important on this key point. And this team and focusing on the natural science backed ingredients that support emotional wellness, including do you know as well? You getting know as well, right? When you're emotional, it's feeling free from everything inside. It have the some power drive to outside. When inside you have balance, you have feeling good. It's when outside your day is perfect day. It's perfect time. Along all of the day, right? And the secret, I will start to the secret now. The secret just some the ingredient that we use for manage the state reduction, reduce thing. Magnesium, potassium, and natural electrolyte. It can solve the problem unless make the state less coming down, you know. And we take more and put more ingredient with the coconut water as a creaming hydration bread. Everyone getting know the coconut water is like a electrolyte by natural electrolyte. When you drink coconut water, it make you like relaxing and concentrate with something. It's very easy because the coconut water have the high magnesium and high potassium also. It's a top secret of natural that we take this one inside. And more, why this same hydration can use for state reduction? Because adaptogenic and pain-based functional compound importer increase six formula that promote relaxation. Focus. Everyone try to promote, try to keep a look relaxed. relaxation, focus, and emotional stability without synthetic. You know, that means everyone need the natural ingredient because our body 7%, 70% is the water inside. You see, so 7% is water inside. That means we need the super hydration electrolyte natural come to balance our body inside with the water also. That's why I recommend this one, electrolyte coconut water, especially that we do for the hydration electrolyte. You see this one? If you see like behind here, it start from the electrolyte coconut water, and this year 2026 we upgrade to like a hydration electrolyte. Upgrade more. You have to take this one. You come to the right way. Now someone still in the taxi, right? Someone still keep walk back in the hotel, right? It's really good luck for you that you open it like swimming and you can see me each together. If you have any question, feel free to keep asking me here. I can give the answer, direct answer for you. It's very easy for you. Alright. Okay. And the next one in the our R&D lab test. High growth functional beverage segment. The key point number 2, hydration beverage like to mindfulness, fitness, and self-care. Yes. You have to remember this wording. Hydration beverage linked to mindfulness and fitness and self-care by yourself. Easy to do fitness and self-care by yourself with Zen hydration. Every shift, every thing, every dot that you do, shift or button up. That means you do fitness inside with your body because you do self-care with electrolyte from natural. The functional hydration is now positioned as a daily wellness. Yeah. Listen again. The functional hydration is now positioning as a daily wellness habit. Not a sport only solution. Successful products combine clean label, hydration formula, low sugar adding, and actually inside we did not use any of the sugar. We use the sweet come from the coconut natural, and we still have some formula that we use is stevia also. Some people still need a bit sweet, and we use coconut water with stevia on the some formula. You have to check with me formula by formula, okay? After I finish live streaming, you can check me here and I can reply for you which formula is perfect for you, because we create for like many countries like Brazil, Austria, okay, Latin America, South America, America also, North America also, Europe also, Inter-Asia also, Middle East also, Africa also, that we create a lot of formula here that we create. You will see the different formula here that we do. And the ingredient associated with the yogurt is yogurt friendly. Meditation, recovery, and active lifestyle. When you tasting, you will get the feeling like that, because this beverage drink is emotional drink that I create for your guy. Okay, and about supply chain that ensure consistent quality, transferable sourcing, and green processing, and essential for global distribution. And be the one that do like a supply chain also. That I told you, I'm not the only the headquarter. I do the R&D also, be headquarter also, and handle the shipment transportation also because I working for the freight forwarder and supply chain and the shipping before I start to do the headquarter also. That's why it's easy for you that I can manage everything for you on the one-stop service here in Thailand. Okay, so here we come. And you see, our R&D function in number 3, high growth function beverage segment, is number 3, functional drink as daily wellness ritual. The fastest growing brand design beverage to consumers every day, not some day a week, but we use every day. R&D strategy emphasize gentle, non overstimulating function benefit, balance nutrient supporting long-term healthy. Everyone want to make the body is have like a long life, right? This one is can supporting you long-term health, the healthy. Okay, the flavor profit that feel comforting, premium and natural. Supply chain must support scalable production, sustainable shelf life and international complement while preserving function integrity. Okay, it's amazing, right? Yeah, we have a lot of the formula. Coconut baked in the coconut water. If you see the greenest one, right? The greenest one is coconut with pineapple infusion. Coconut with pineapple infusion fruits. And this one is coconut water based infusion with lychee fruits. And this one mango infusion. Okay, berry, a lot of things. We create and design for your lifestyle, for your customer lifestyle. Yeah, and especially that I explained for you on yesterday, right? Like everyone now try to skip energy drink. Everyone try to skip out from the energy drink and focus and concern to the electrolyte hydration drink. And now we are the one to leader of hydration beverage drink here from Thailand. You are very lucky guy. Everyone so lucky that you found me here. You see, and the trend I already telling you the trend, right? What the trend now? 2026 until 2030 is amazing thing. It amazing. It's really amazing thing. You see. Sen hydration electrolyte drink is really perfect, and you can use for a lot of activity. I will show you. You will see this one. In my monitor, sorry, you will see. Everyone can drink the sport guy, the sport girl, okay, whatever you do the workout in the gym, indoor and outdoor, or even the golf player, or even the worker, or even the white collar suit. Everyone can do this one. This functional drink is not the choice, but is applied into your lifestyle for now. Okay, and a lot of things, and this one you can give for like the gift set for someone that you love. You can give for the gift set for your customer also. And this one, you can give for like a special event also. Like gift set for birthday, gift set for like some event, marry, gift set for the event is like a countdown, New Year, Christmas, and even the Valentine. And not only the some special event, you can use for daily, every day. That I telling you. You see? I will repeat again. Zen is more than just a thirst quake. It's an experience that restores emotional balance and provide essential nourishment, delivery through the purest and most premium flavor. Okay, what flavor? What the top seller flavor that I create for you? How we care. Beyond hydration, Zen harmonize your emotion and nourishing your body with a taste of pure premium excellence. The first item, coconut original pure restore, purity essentials, hydration clean energy. This original coconut water base have magnesium, sodium, sea salt inside. And the next one, you will see like the pink Kenneth. The pink Kenneth is coconut with watermelon, infusion fruits, summer refresh, ultra fresh, cooling everyday hydration. You will get a feeling like this. And the green Kenneth is made from coconut with pineapple, infusion fruits, topical relief, post workout recovery refresh balance. You will get feeling like this. Like one day, if you drink 3 flavor, you will get feeling different 3 emotion with you also. It's very easy for you. You no need to like find something to make your mood, to make your feeling it change outside. You just change from inside of your body. For example, just a morning you drink with pure restored coconut, and afternoon you drink with summer refresh coconut watermelon, ultra fresh cooling. It make your noon is the hydration, every noon hydration. Or the evening, you just take coconut, pineapple, fruit infusion, topical review, post workout recovery, refresh balance. After you do workout, after you do exercise, you take with this one. It make you feeling good. This the first day. The first day can be ready. And the second day, you can get the feeling change more. It's like a Zen is not just for quenching thirst. It's about emotion, ligament, and function, nutrition in its purest, most sophistication form. I create more item for you. You see the yellow Kenneth. Yellow Kenneth is based coconut mango food infusion, golden go, natural energy, tropical pride, vibration lifestyle. That means the next day, the day number 2, you can drink with coconut mango golden go. It make your feeling is like national energy, tropical pride, vibrant lifestyle on that morning. How you see? The feeling good, right? Come to the next one. And come to the next one. You see the more pink color. The more pink color is coconut with lychee infusion fruit. You will get the feeling exotic, hydrate, premium, philosophy, carbon taste. It means some noon that you feeling is like you need exotic feeling. You need the confirm your heart is like a premium philosophy. Take with this one, coconut lychee on that noon. Perfect, right? And more on the evening. Of course, you want to chill out on the beach, or you want to chilling for keep walk out or running, jogging around your yard. You take with coconut berry. You will get the feeling is like an antioxidant blast, protection, wellness, active health. You see, 6 flavor that I create, it's create for your emotion. When you get the smooth, good emotion, it will make your day, your noon, your evening, your bedtime feeling good all out 24 hours. This is very important for our lifestyle now. And this one is we will train since this start from this year 2026 and until 2030. Amazing thing, right? This one is will helping you can make the market high end value also. Amazing thing that I told you. In Thailand have a lot of things that can helping you to create your business growing. And you see, I will give you more the key message of the Zen hydration for this Gap Food 2026 on this year. The hydration is no longer just a water. Today, customer demand hydration with functional, not just refreshment. They need more. Number 2, electrolyte drink are the global necessary. Electrolyte drink are global necessary. From extreme heat to high performance lifestyle, electrolyte hydration is essential. The key number 2. And the key number 3, designed for the hot climate market. Zen hydration support repair, rehydration and mineral balance in extreme temperature. See, you can control feeling inside by yourself. With electrolyte hydration support you inside. You can do bottom up. It's easy for you. And number 4, clean formula for premium market. Low sugar, zero sugar. Actually, we can call the zero sugar because we did not put any sugar on this one because of it from coconut water already. You see, sweet from coconut water. And some market like a Middle East, if you need more sweet, we still have formula that used with the stevia also. And stevia is like a sweetener from the natural also. Because stevia is like a vegetable, right? Sweet from stevia, not sugar also. Stevia is good for your heart also. You see, heart and blood. Okay. Low sugar, yes, because we did not put any sugar. Zero sugar, yeah, we can call like this. Zero sugar option with clean label formulation. And come to the next. Number 5 is ready to drink, ready to scale. RTD is mean ready to drink. Format meet modern convenience and dominate global hydration trend in the RTD style. Like it's make your lifestyle is very easy. You need hydration drink. You don't need to bring some food and vegetarian and blend it by yourself. You save your time. Just bring this one bottle and bottle up It's easy for you. Save your time. Just open and drink. No need to arrange some another ingredient, another fresh ingredient. Because if you want to sourcing a lot of ingredient, maybe you take time, long time. You see, we keep anything, put into this cabinet already for you. Okay. That's why RTD ready-to-drink format meet modern convenience and dominate global hydration trend for you already. Okay, come to next one. The functional number 6, the functional benefit beyond thirst. Support energy recovery and daily performance. It's very perfect. Okay, it's very perfect. And number 7, one product, multiple consumer segment. Ethnic worker, traveler, and recovery focused consumer. Authentic worker, traveler, and recover focused consumer. This is main target customer that you can helping them, support them, and you will get benefit from them also, and you can build your business is going with this one. You see. And number 8, we will come to build for private label for you also for export market, but it private label have standard MOQ also. You can check me later what the MOQ size for per item. After I finish live streaming, I will telling you. You just take me here. Okay. And number 9. And number 9, touch manufacturer from Thailand. Thailand is a global hub for quality beverage manufacturing. You know as well, right? Thailand is the kitchen of the world. Thailand is like the cafe of the world also. Flexible formula and packaging met region regulation. Very concerned with this one. Thailand. Do you see? If you have any question, feel free to keep asking me here, my friend. Okay. So many people ask me on this noon, right? Send if minute eat. Okay, I will give the answer for customer now. Some customer from GCC Middle East asking me UAE, Saudi, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman asking me hydration for extreme heat, electrolyte balance to support hydration in extreme temperature. I told you already, because in the Middle East, the hot country, it's very important with electrolyte to save and keep balance the temperature, body temperature inside. This one is very important for you. It's the secret of the natural. Okay, you will not feel dirty anymore with this one. Zen hydration electrolyte. Okay. And number 2, still in the marketing trend in the UAE, Saudi, Qatar, Kuwait, and Oman. The number 2, the daily rehydration, not just sport, idea for worker, the diver, traveler, and active lifestyle. It's really perfect. Many lifestyle, many people lifestyle, many your guys, many people need this idea. You have to be the one to bring this idea to implement into your GCC country. It's idea, I told you already, it's idea for the worker, the driver, the traveler, and achieve lifestyle. Everybody will wow with your idea. Okay, come to the next. Still on the GACC here. Still on the Middle East country here. Ready to drink for one to go consumption. Ready to drink for one to go consumption. Easy to open and drink. Ready to drink format is convenience store, petrol station, and vending channel. A lot of things. Convenience store, you can bring into your convenience store. You see, people is easy to search and check with this one, and even the petrol station, and even the vending channel machine. It's very easy because this one is the connect, it's like a strong. It's strong, not easy to broken. You see. And number 4, for the Middle East country, the scale for mass and premium segment. That means you can sell in the mass market and the premium segment also. Flexible positioning for regional, retail, and wholesale car channel. You can adjust this product into the many market channel. It's very easy. If you are the first one to start with this market, you will win. You will be the leadership of this Zen hydration electrolyte beverage drink. You have to start first. And this year, we are ready to implement and launch this item with six items. You can check more product item in the www.argentisen.com/zen ZAIN that hydration. Or if you lazy to note or remember, you just capture on this my monitor and you search for like a hashtag Argentisen. It's very easy for you. Argentisen, AJINTAIZEN. It's very easy. You will see. Or you just capture this monitor and you send the picture, upload to any social media platform. You will find me every platform. Any platform you will find me. It's easy for you. You see. Keep following me. Keep save my channel. And you capture this my monitor picture and send to your social media, and you will find me. You see. Okay, come. Now I already explained the marketing trend into the Middle East country already. So now we come to see how to do the marketing with Zen hydration electrolyte in the EU market. Okay, EU market, okay, especially is like Germany, France, Netherlands, Nordic, UK. The first thing, clean hydration for health conscious consumer. Hydration, low sugar. Yeah, because we did not put sugar, we have to say it's 0% sugar, right? 0% sugar option with clean label formula. Easy to check. You can check the nutrition fact ingredient on the cabinet. Or if you need more document support, asking me, I can send document support for you. It's very easy. And number 2, for the EU market, functional, not artificial. Is real, natural ingredient, not artificial. Designed for daily wellness, work-life balance, and light sport. That EU country love this point too much. Come to the next. Come to the next. Modern alternative to sugary drink. Modern alternative to sugary drink is the new choice. Is the new choice that looking something instead the sweet drink and soda. Consumers are shifting from soda to functional hydration. It's functional beverage drink for your customer. Okay, come to see the number four marketing. Number 4 is a compliance ready for EU standard. The formula and labeling adaptable to EU regulation. Everything we sourcing, we check the ingredient that all ingredient is approved into your custom or not. We check everything, every ingredient. This for the EU and UK standard. ขอบคุณหัวใจรัวๆจ้าพี่ขวัญคนงามสวัสดีเจ้านะคะเนาะ ช่วงนี้ติดภารกิจแบบว่านางแบบกราฟฟูดสุดพลังนะคะอีฉัน ขอบคุณหัวใจรัวๆเจ้าพี่ขอบคุณที่ช่วยแชร์รัวๆจ้านะคะสวัสดีเพื่อนๆคนไทยทุกคนด้วยนะคะเนาะไม่ได้ทักทายคนไทยเลยนะคะเนาะกำลังเมาส์มอยกับลูกค้าเพราะว่าตอนนี้กำลังไลฟ์สตรีมมิ่งไปกราฟฟูดดูไบอยู่นะคะเนาะโอเคขอบคุณที่แชร์รัวๆจ้านะคะเนาะ Okay and come to see the Asia and inter-Asia marketing that we plan even the China, Japan, Korea, Asian, Singapore, Malaysia or even India, Indonesia also. This one send hydration as a lifestyle drink. Hydration as a lifestyle drink. Consumer in the morning during work and after exercise I want this one hydration electrolyte beverage drink because they need to control the stress, they need to control the hydration water inside that I told you our body is have like a water more than 70%. I want when you stress, when you exercise, it make your sweat, it make your weight the body dry the water out with weight, right? Is you just take back with say hydration electrolyte. It's very easy. Okay, it's the first marketing. It's number 1 to do marketing for the Asia and inter-Asia. And number 2, energy without caffeine. Fresh without caffeine. Electrolyte hydration as a coffee alternative is new choice for use electrolyte hydration instead of coffee, especially for someone that don't want to drink the coffee because someone like coffee, emotional with the coffee but feeling like hurt the heart when drink coffee and make the heart beat. So you just skip that coffee and drink with the electrolyte. It's be okay for you. It's very perfect. You see. And number 3, for the inter-Asia and Asia market, fast-growing urban consumption. It can be the best answer for the big city, big country that's going urban consumption, perfect for urban consumer and convenient retail. That I told you. This one is a candidate. It's easy to put to the retail convenience store and the vending machine. It's easy to put many channel to selling. It's very easy. You see. And number 4 for the inter-Asia. The customized for local taste and trend. Of course, the tasting we develop in the Asia Asia, the testing Asia and testing and Europe quite is a bit different, right? We have the many formula for separate Asia and Europe, or separate from Asia or Middle East, or separate Asia and Africa also. Different country, different salt is different taste also. That's why we create a lot of flavor here. It's really good choice for you. If you need the sample, feel free to asking me. Okay, take me on the inbox and I will reply you. You getting know how you can contact me, right? Just keep following me, okay? And you will know how you can contact me. Keep in touch. You see? Easy to talk in the fry on. Drink smarter, hydration better. Drink for smart, hydration better. Drink to profit. Drink to profit. Zen Hydration is built for global market, hot cinema and modern lifestyle. You see, it's really perfect. It's really very perfect for your lifestyle. See, I told you already. The segment market of electrolyte drink market is a high value for now, approximate 40 until 43 billion. Consumers have shifted from pant water and soft drink to functional hydration, seeking this beverage that offer tangible health benefit. Okay, it's very perfect. Okay, so don't forget to click follow me on the left corner. Every time I live streaming, you can see me every day. Okay, or just sourcing me on the hashtag Ajintaisen, AJINTAIZEN. You can find me every channel media. And if someone you just come to see my rerun of this live streaming, you just inbox me and I will give the answer for you when I have a time, okay? And for make sure when you see this live streaming video, you have to subscribe, keep following me. It's very easy for you นะคะแล้วก็สำหรับเพื่อนๆคนไทยนะคะเนาะก็ขอบคุณที่มาติดตามกันนะคะเนาะใครอยากเรียนการไลฟ์สตรีมมิ่งไปต่างประเทศแบบนี้ใครอยากออกบูธออนไลน์ต่างประเทศอย่างนี้เจอกันในคลาสเจ้าสัวส่งออกมือโปรนะคะเนาะเรียนออนไลน์ย้อนหลังได้ 169,000 บาทนะคะเนาะหรืออยากให้โคชชิ่ง private coaching ผ่านซูมนะคะ 295,000 บาทหรืออยากจะมาเรียนเจอตัวแล้วก็ไลฟ์ทุกช่องทางแบบนี้ก็ 395,000 บาททักมาในไลน์@acintaiได้เลยนะคะมีแอดนำหน้านะ AJINTAI @acintai นะคะเนาะแล้วคุณจะรู้ว่าส่งออกมันง่ายเจ้านะคะเนาะสำหรับวันนี้นะคะเซนต้องไปก่อนแล้วนะคะทุกท่านนะคะเนาะวันนี้คำถามเยอะมากเนื่องแต่ตอนช่วงบ่ายแล้วนะคะเนาะก็มาไลฟ์ให้นะคะเนาะโอเคขอบคุณพี่ขวัญคนงามขอบคุณแฟนคลับทุกคนนะคะ thank you every channel thank you everyone thank you my guest thank you all of my customer that waiting for me to see my live streaming today okay don't forget to keep following me on this channel and every time when I live streaming you can follow me and see you again on tomorrow okay the time okay let's check you just keep following me tomorrow I will live streaming again maybe noon or evening like this okay thank you very much everyone thank you very much thank you very much คือตอนนี้หนาวมาก กับความหนาวนะคะกับความหนาวนะคะโอเคบ๊ายบายทุกคนเจ้าไปละเจ้าสวัสดีเจ้าบ๊ายบาย